What are the main structures of the ovarian reproductive system, and what does each one do? Let's start with the ovaries. The ovaries are gonads that sit in the pelvic cavity and are about the size of almonds. They have two main jobs: produce oocytes, the gametes that can be fertilized, and produce hormones, primarily estrogen and progesterone. Inside each ovary, developing oocytes are housed in follicles. As follicles mature, they support oocyte development and secrete hormones that drive the ovarian and menstrual cycles. Next are the uterine tubes, which are also called the fallopian tubes. Each tube lies close to an ovary but isn't directly attached. The distal end flares into the infundibulum, with finger-like fimbriae that help guide the ovulated oocyte into the tube. The middle region is the ampulla, the most common site of fertilization. Cilia lining the tube, along with smooth muscle contractions, move the oocyte or early embryo toward the uterus. The uterus is a muscular organ that can support pregnancy. It has three main regions: the fundus, which is the dome-shaped top, the body, which is the main central portion, and the cervix, which is the narrow inferior region that projects into the vagina. The wall of the uterus has three layers. The perimetrium is the outer serous layer. The myometrium is the thick, smooth muscle that contracts during labor and menstruation. The endometrium is the inner lining that thickens and sheds during the menstrual cycle and supports implantation. Inferior to the cervix is the vagina, a muscular canal that serves as the entrance to the reproductive tract, the exit pathway for menstrual flow, and the birth canal during childbirth. Externally, the visible structures are collectively called the vulva, which includes the mons pubis, the labia majora and labia minora, which protect the openings of the urethra and vagina, and the clitoris, which is an erectile structure rich in sensory nerves, essential for sexual arousal. These organs work together to produce gametes, support fertilization, nourish a developing embryo and fetus, and allow for birth.